Well, my name is Mauricio Lizcano, Minister of ICT of Colombia, Technology and Telecommunications. For Colombia, this alliance with the European Union is very important because we are working very hard to become one of the leading countries in terms of artificial intelligence. We've been working from the side of the diplomacy, we've been working for the side of the lab we create in Colombia, we've been working for the side of education. We're educated now 1 million people in Colombia in terms of digital transformation, but based on artificial intelligence. And we have now a program that is called Potencia in Spanish, which means we want to base all our digital transformation based on artificial intelligence. That's why being here in Madrid with the leading projects that the European Union has in terms of artificial intelligence is a key point for our government, and it's a key point for me as a minister, because regulation, trustworthiness, and become a front runner in artificial intelligence is not just a Colombian initiative. We should work together with the other parts of the world, in this case European Union, in order to create a convergence in terms of regulation, in terms of innovation, and in terms of trustworthiness. So that's why I say hello, I promote, and I am very thankful of this kind of initiative. And European Union and the world can count on Colombia as one of the countries who want to be part of the discussion, want to give inputs in terms of ethically, in terms of innovation, in terms of working together. And so we're grateful of this invitation, and we are very open to work together with the European Union and with other countries in the world who are also interested in the AI become a very beneficial technology, but a trustworthiness and ethical technology to the democratization of all of our people in our countries.